we're gonna slide down here from the top of a big ski arena in the middle of the night. There's no snow here. No snow. Interesting. 3 boys, 1 mission. 3 mats. 1 extremely steep hill. Will we survive? Time will tell. Okay, we have now gotten ourselves some sliding mats and we're gonna go to a big ski arena in Norway and we're gonna slide down from the top. But first we have to test the mats if they are good. Look at this ice. It's so slippery. All right, are you ready, boys? Yeah. Woohoo! Oh shit. Woo! Woo! What the fuck? What? It was not like yesterday. All right, let's pack the mats in a trunk. I did exactly the same thing we're gonna do now last year. I used a speedometer app and we got up to 100 kilometers an hour by sliding on these thin mats down the ski arena. So this is gonna be extremely fun. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, do not try this at home. This is performed by trained professionals. We're gonna slide down this ski arena in the middle of the night with a beautiful city view. The entire city is gonna be able to see us slide down this hill. They're gonna see a tiny light sliding full speed down here. In just a second, I'm gonna show you how steep this hill really is. Now I'm filming the hill horizontal. Look how steep it is. It's literally going straight down. And it goes so far down there. Insane. Holy shit. We can't even see the top from here. Take a look. How are we feeling, boys?
Very good.
Very good. All right. Holy shit. I'm driving down first, then I'm recording you guys with the phone. Dropping in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Unfortunately, I lost the camera in the middle of the hill, so I didn't get any of that, I believe. The boys has just slided down the hill. Crazy. How's the feeling?
Holy shit.
Veggie.
I was so fucking fast. I thought I was gonna die.
That was brutal.
I fried my elbows on the way down.
I had my fingertips on the ground and it felt like I scratched all of my skin off. But now it's fine. It just hurt in a moment. But look at this snow. It's so compact and hard. It's like pure ice. This is not powder. It's so compact.
It was like halfway off my foot on the way down.
What do you think about going from the top of the hill? Because now we were only 3/4 all the way up there. We have another quarter up.
It was really scary.
Yeah, it was scary, man.
It took such a long time before I built the courage up to send myself down there. But it was so fucking fun.
Worth it 100%. All right then, let's gather our mats and let's have another go. Yeah. Woo! Now we're at the top of the ski arena. This was one hell of a workout. One hell of a workout. There's probably like hundreds of stair steps up here. Those boys are tired.
I'm fucking tired, man.
Ready for more action. Look what we have to deal with here. This is what we're starting from. Pure ice, like crushed ice clumps. And and look at the snow here. Look at how smooth it is. Oh no. It's not even fully covered in snow. Like over here, the ski arena thing is just, there's no snow here. No snow. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Something about being out on extreme activities like this, when you're just sitting at the top and then enjoying the view, there's a big calm before the storm. You're just feeling this sense of peace combined with chaos. It's beautiful. To the horizon we go. Ah.
Let's go for it!
Are you good? He doesn't respond. He's just walking away in silence. Not a word spoken from that gentleman over there. So now it's my turn. I'm the only one left at the top. They're waiting for me down there. Let's give this an honest try. I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! Shit, that was scary! Oh my god! Yeah, that hurt a little bit, but not too bad. I'm excited to see if they were able to record us that properly, and if they were, enjoy. Where are you injured, man?
Right here, a little bit of a scrub and got a beat up in the back here.
Beat up in the back. The thing is with this guy, he fell off the mat in the middle of the hill, and the hill is like super bumpy. He rolled around many times down that hill. I don't know if you can see it properly on the GoPro, but anyways, I'm gonna record it on my phone now to show you properly. Next stop, McDonald's. This was intense. Thank you guys for watching. This was an incredible scary day, but also rewarding in the sense that it was so fun. Leave a like, comment what you would like me to do next. Have you ever tried this? If you haven't, don't. Do not try this at home. This was done by trained professionals. It's very irresponsible if you don't know what you're doing. So be cautious. Subscribe and bye.